Today is a good day to watch this channel. I've got lots of new black and white street photography taken in New York City to show you, and portrait photography too. Now in the main, I used the Leica Q3 Monochrom. This is a camera that I love and feel confident that it'll give me the best monochrome images possible. But let me take you to New York, where the streets are always an inspiration. One of the things that I wanted to do was capture the people of New York, not just their characters, but the character of the city itself. Every city has its own essence, and that, my friends, is the backbone of street photography. You may wander those same streets and find a different story than I did. My New York is a reflection, painted vivid in the mind's eye, drawn from what it means to me. I really wanted to capture that atmosphere. Sometimes what we picture in our mind isn't quite what we discover. However, New York did not disappoint. I love these street scenes. Let's stop trying to overthink things. A little less clever and a lot more heart. Shoot what you want. Don't let anyone define you as a photographer. Shoot whatever you were drawn to. When I was in New York, I bumped into Jim McDermott. He's a great photographer and he's got a new YouTube channel. He was interviewing me, and you can watch my full interview on his channel.
Everything's like a movie to me here. You know, everything from, it's just like a backdrop, you know, in a movie, and that's kind of the main reason why I love to come here. I know, like, people do ask me, you know, why don't you come here? Why don't you? There's lots of different places where people want me to go in the US, but I am drawn to this place, you know, just because it's got personality.
There's so much to see in a city like this. This skate rink had this one beam of light, and I just waited to see what would unfold. I was so excited and in awe most of the time, just being right in the thick of it. It's like a movie to me. I was so happy to see this smoke coming out of the manhole, as it doesn't happen as often as you think. I got right into it and captured what I could. And of course I did some portraits when I was there. The wind on those New York streets really put some life into these portraits. This girl radiated a film noir vibe with her attire. I was so pleased to find this pocket of light and used it to cast a cinematic glow, a homage to those classic Hollywood moments. I fell in love with these shots. I held a workshop when I was there, and it was so fulfilling to watch everyone learn about the lighting, connection, and get so enthusiastic about shooting the same subject as me. While I was explaining some techniques to everyone, a gentleman told me that was his door, and rather than this being a confrontation, we all ended up shooting his portrait. I'm holding a 3-day workshop in New York in May 2027. That may seem like a while away, but these workshops book up fast. At the end of each workshop day, we all went to the Rum House for drinks and went through the photos and had some laughs. I took this portrait of Yehuda while we were there, and also Andres. They were in just the right light and I couldn't resist. Even back at the hotel, I was still buzzing with inspiration, and I started taking photos of the hallways. Back out the next day with my trusty Q3 Monochrom, and just excited about what the day will bring. On the next workshop day, as well as street photography, I took some more portraits whilst teaching. Sharing these subjects and watching everybody get so excited as they also shot them was just so fantastic. I'm going to leave a link in the description for the next available workshop in New York. Now, I did go out on the ferry to Staten Island, but I just felt myself trying too hard, and there were only a couple of shots I was even remotely happy with. I recomposed myself, and back on the streets I got my mojo back. New York is such a unique experience. Not every shot I took will stand the test of time. However, I hope that in some way this video has inspired you, because that's all we want as photographers, to be inspired to go out and shoot images that mean something to us. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you very soon.